For as long as we know, humankind have found it hard to keep up with their own technology. COVID-19 has quickly nudged the entire world into less physical contact. We are quickly evolving into a digital era than ever before. Soon enough, our brains and bodies will adapt to this new normal. Is this evolution? Are we still human, or are we becoming machine? This collection is inspired from science and science fiction that may be more realistic than we are prepared for. Part 1. Raw nature. Inspired by a fragile raw nature using handmade construction techniques, knotting, burning, ripping and hand stitching, along with natural materials such as silks, wool, cotton and metal. Part 2. Oil spill. The fragile raw nature is breaking down by human evolution. We take the sacred blood from the earth and it hurts her. It poisons us. We see the slick oil spills in this collection. It's smoky and smudgy. Part 3. Plastic pollution. We refine the blood to make new cheap material, plastics. It appears cleaner, but it's just as toxic to our earth as it takes over our oceans and ecosystems. We embrace synthetic colors and textures. Part 4. Virus. The world fights back and she tries to balance out. She keeps trying to heal herself. She tries to force the creatures to slow down and not take so much from her. The virus scares us, but do we learn from this? Dreams are consumed by bioorganic colors, shared textures and bulbous shapes. Part 5. Personal protective equipment. We adapt. We use more plastic and chemicals to protect ourselves. We clean away these new organisms. We quickly take back control, and we don't let the world touch our skin. Part 6. Suffocation. We become suffocated by our own protection. We become allergic to the natural air. We become uncomfortable in our own heads. We need new air. We need new skin. We need new minds. Slightly uncomfortable covered faces. We become restricted and wrapped up. Part 7. Transition. We move to keep up. We upgrade our bodies. We upgrade our intelligence. We upgrade our emotions. However, many of us get left behind. Digital details, architectural inspiration. Build your own body. Part 8. Robots. We become powerful and perfect. Upgrade now complete. We have integrated chemicals to sustain our bodies and minds and inject technology directly into our organisms. Inspired by technical fabrics, practical and comfortable style.